Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Here we are back with another video from the chapter Income from Salary. In this video we are going to learn one more practical questions about income from salary for the private company employee who is receiving the following benefits for the assessment year 2021. So in the last video we have discussed the government employee entertainment allowance deductions and we solved the problem on that basis. So in this video also we are going to solve the private company entertainment allowance deduction video of income from salary. So let's check. So let's see how to solve this. So let's start. So here in this question it is given that calculate the total income from salaries of Mr. Rohan for assessment year 2020-21. Okay, so here what they are given? They are given to solve the total income from salary of Mr. Rohan, and he is working with the private company and receiving the following benefits for the previous year. So here is directly it is saying that Mr. Rohan is working in the private company. So we have to find the entertainment allowance we have to deduct for private company. But as we know, the entertainment allowance deduction is always provided to the government employee. Okay, so here it is private. So next solve the problem. How is going to solve? So here see in the pro forma questions it is given some benefits which Mr. Rohan is receiving. So here in particulars basic salary that is 50,000 per month, DNS allowance 40% on basic pay, HRA house rent allowance that is exempted 12,500 per month and actually is 500 per month. So here many more is given ex gratia, bonus declared, arrests of salary, advance salary, value of rent free accommodation, purchased books, and value of motor car, value of gas, electricity and water supply, entertainment allowance, and last one is professional tax. So now we are going to solve this problem. So let's see what is the solution we are getting from this. So here in the previous video we have said that in every problem before solving we have to take this, we have to write this as the same in every solution. So after that we have to draw the pro forma and heading is computation of income from salary for assessment year 2020 to 2021. So the format of this pro forma is particulars and two amount columns. Okay, as usual. So let's solve the problem. So as per our question, here the basic salary they given is 50,000 per month. So 50,000 we have to take and we have to multiply with 12 months. So after multiplying we will get 6 lakhs rupees which we have to enter in outer column of amount column. Okay, next is dearness allowance. Dearness allowance we have to take on basic salary, that is 40%. So basic salary after calculation of 12 months what we have got 6 lakhs. So 6 lakhs into 40 by 100 is 2 lakhs 40,000 is our dearness allowance which we have to write in outer column. Next is house rent allowance. House rent allowance is given 2,500 per month. So 2,500 per month is multiplied with 12 months, then we will get 30,000 which we have to write in inner column, and next we have to deduct the exemption under section 10 subsection 13a, that is 500 per month. So that is 6,000 rupees. 30,000 minus 6,000 is 24,000. So this is our HRA. And next ex gratia, that is taxable, so 20,000, that is outer column. Bonus declared, here I am specially saying that bonus declared. So here bonus declared means bonus is already declared but he didn't receive the bonus, so we need not to enter the amount in the outer column or any amount column. Okay, because bonus is in pending, only it is declared. Okay, so nil. And next is errors of salary, that is 55,000, advance salary 30,000, value of rent free accommodation 45,000, purchased books. Here purchased books is not consulted with the salary, it is not in the form of salary, it is our expenses, other expenses, so we need not to enter these purchased books. Okay, so it is also nil. And next is value of motor car, that is 25,000. And next, value of gas, electric and water supply, that is 20,000. And entertainment allowance, what they given? They given 3,000 per month. So 3,000 into 12, that is 36,000. Okay, so after entering this all, we have to calculate this. We will get gross salary, that is 10,95,000. Okay, so as per our previous videos, what we have discussed, after getting gross salary, what we have to do? We have to less some deduction under section 16. That is, first one is standard deduction, second is entertainment allowance, and third one is profession tax. Okay, so first is standard deduction. Standard deduction, what we have to do? We have to take either the gross salary or 50,000, the maximum limit. So gross salary, if when we will take gross salary, if from the maximum limit 50,000, if gross salary is lesser, then we will take gross salary. But here the gross salary is higher than 50,000, so we are taking only maximum limit, that is 50,000. Next, entertainment allowance. Mr. Rohan is in private company, so private company employee, so entertainment allowance is not provided to private company. Next, last one is profession tax. Profession tax is 2,500 per year. Okay, so 2,500 we have to take, and after we have to deduct these deductions from gross salary, and we will get the total income from salary, that is 10,42,500. Okay, so this is all about the income from salary problem number 3, which we have solved. Okay, so those who are new to this video, please visit our channel description and you can watch our previous video relating to the topic income from salary, and you can learn there all the basic concept and other problems which we have solved previous. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates, and like, share to your friends. So thank you, have a nice time.